Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a side navigation bar, which is basically a nav bar located on the sides of your screen, left or right, whichever you want. And it also has a toggle button which is used to hide and show the nav bar whenever you like. So I'm gonna refresh the page and we see nothing because I deleted my code. Alright, I've taken a new HTML document and I'm linked my style sheet to it, and you know how to do that. So let's start with creating a nav tag, and it's gonna contain an unordered list of items. So we can type in home and copy paste this a few times. Copy that, paste it, and contact and alright, funny. Okay, so we created a list of items and now we need a toggle button to show the list. And for those toggle button, those three lines that you saw, it's called a burger icon universally, and you can find it on the internet. All you need to type is Unicode for the burger icon, and on the second link over here you can see this website, which also happen to have a sidebar over here, which is pretty cool. So just go down and copy this and hashtag 9776, which is the Unicode for those three lines, and paste it over there. And also we need it one more time to show the nav bar. Okay, so now we got that, and first let's class our navbar to side nav, and also ID it to sidebar because we're gonna need it for our JavaScript. And yeah, I guess that's it. Class our a tag over here, and let's ID that to show button. Alright, okay, so now what we're gonna see is two icons and a list, which is pretty hideous, so we need to style that. First, what we'll do is our side nav, let's style that, and we'll give it a height of 100% because it's gonna take the entire height of the screen, and a width of say 20% is good. Okay, and the last thing we need is a background color. So I choose this color, which is a pretty matte black type, and type in hash, paste that. Okay, so now what we're gonna see is it's not taking up the entire width height of the screen. That's because it contains everything which is inside of it, and which we don't want it to do. So one thing you can do is position it to absolute, so in this way you can make it take the entire height of the screen. And I made a mistake over here. I actually kept this button inside my nav, which I don't want. Okay, so now it's outside, but you can't see it because it's behind this side nav over here. Alright, so now basic things like side nav li, and list style type none, and give it a padding of 20 pixels, and then side nav a, text decoration to none, and color to white, no, gray, and let's increase the font size to say 20 pixels. Guess let's look at it. Okay, that's good. Now we need to position this toggle button on the right side, so let's also give it an ID of height bt and height button and we got our height btn to float right, and it's over there. Okay, so we got our two buttons over here, one button over here, and one is behind this navbar. So if I now type in display none, you're gonna see the button over there, which is not looking nice. Show btn, I'm gonna give the same things, text duration none, color gray, and font size to be 20 pixels, let's see 30 pixels, and this to be black. Okay, so that's better. Alright, so now we got one button over here, and let's display this thing, and one button over here, and a few links over there. So next part is the JavaScript, which is, believe me, it's pretty easy. So type in script and it auto completes that for you. Alright, so we will have two functions. So the first function would be show, and we don't need any arguments, for now. So let's delete the body tag. Alright, and in here what we're gonna type is a document dot get element by id, and we're gonna hide our side nav. So our side nav id is sidebar. Copy and paste that over here, and once you hide that, so type in style dot display equals none. Okay, so type in this function in over here, the hide button. So on click you're gonna hide. Okay, save that. So once you click this button, it's gonna call the function hide, not show. Okay, hide, and it's gonna make the sidebar display to none. So let's check if that works. Yep, it does work. Okay, so now when you click this button, it goes back, and let's type in the same function, copy and paste it over here, and we will call this show, and change the sidebar display to block, and let's call the function on this. So we got on click show with no arguments, and that's pretty much it. So now you have your sidebar. When you click this toggle button, it's gonna hide it. You click this toggle button, it's gonna show the sidebar. So there you have it. That's how to create a simple side navigation bar. Hope you like the video, and thank you for watching.